Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to pay your Amazon store card bill online. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payments. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for View and Make Payments. Click on View and Make Payments. Now you have to select the amount of your payment, the payment date, and the payment method. To select the payment amount, click on the drop-down arrow next to Select Amount. Now you will see four options, which are Minimum Payment Due, Statement Balance, Current Balance, and Other Amount. Click on the option you wish to select. In the second field, select your payment date. Now to select the payment method, click on the drop-down arrow next to Select Payment Method. Then you will see your payment methods on the drop-down list. Click on the payment method you wish to select. After that, click on the Submit Payment tab. A pop-up message will appear asking you to review and authorize the payment. Once you reviewed the details and if everything looks good, click on Authorize Payment. And now you will see a message saying that your payment has been successfully submitted. That's how you pay your Amazon store card bill online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.